Sawubona to you, sawubona to yours. From one great spirit to another, igama lami uThulani Malevu, and this is Ubizo. There are moments in this journey where everything that once felt familiar begins to fall apart. The job title, the relationships, the plans, even your own name at times might start to feel foreign in your own mouth, with frequent whispers along the lines of, I don't know who I am anymore. And while the world might call it a breakdown, Spirit calls it the beginning. NgesiZulu sithi inkomo ingazala umuntu. Now, direct translation to English being a cow gives birth to a human being. Now, this defines an impossible scenario. When it comes to your calling, everything becomes possible. Everything becomes possible. So what I'm saying to you today is, you are not lost. You are just simply shedding the skin of who you were to become who you were always meant to be. When I received Ubizo, I thought I knew who I was. A musician, a creative, a man with plans, but Spirit doesn't call the version of you that's comfortable. It calls the version of you that's buried. That's why so many of us feel lost when we are called. Therefore, I'm saying to you, you are not crazy. You are being reassembled. You are being emptied so that your true name can rise. My only wish for you at this present moment is that you remember this. Your confusion is sacred because before the seed becomes a tree, it breaks. Therefore, allow the breaking to happen. You are not who you were, but also you are not who you are becoming just yet. This is the wilderness. This is where the illusions fall away. This is where truth is born. And it's okay not to know. In fact, it's necessary. And at this moment, I invite you to sit in stillness today, even if it's just for 5 minutes, for as long as you allow your spirit to lead, and ask gently this question. If I am not who I was, who am I becoming? Write down what rises. No pressure, no performance, just truth. And also please do share with us using the hashtag Ubizo, the wilderness, or simply hold it loose and close. There's no right answer, only the one that feels like home. You may feel lost, but in truth, you are being found. This is Ubizo. This is the sacred undoing before the sacred becoming. Be still, be present, be becoming. Until next time, okuhle, umusa, kanye nokukhanya ekuhambeni kwakho. Blessings, light, mercies and blessings again upon your journey.